In pole position, we have Bill Addison, number 50, the MD of the Civil Engineering Company, who's indicated that a lot of European patent racing, and he went round in a time of 1:49.795. His son is out further down the grid. Spotted down in 21st place, Martin Addison. So the family here today, alongside Bill Addison in the local lead is Jeff Wilson, no stranger here to Oulton Park, number 90. He's a retired, tells me now, insurance engineer, and his time was 1:53.11, so nearly 3 seconds slower than pole position man. Second row of the grid sees 69.54, 69 Marcus Fothergill with the Ford GT2, and alongside him is Andrew Morrison, the Land Rover dealer, out with the Seat Leon. Row 3 sees 44 and 8. 44 is Mike Cutt, the fire extinguisher manufacturer, with his BMW M3, and David Fossil, number 8, the financial director from Stockton-on-Sea, Ford 964. He's out in one of the other Ford races this afternoon. So this race is 15 minutes. Start very shortly, 15 minutes earlier than we anticipated. Alex Ray on row 4, number 43, from Class E, property developer, also rugby player and a rugby coach. Green flag at the back indicates that we are about to go then for our first race of the afternoon. Five seconds forward as we go. On go the red line then. Everybody's safely away, right at the back of the field. Helen Allen, number 37, which we do now, and it is takes them in second place to Jeff Wilson, that's 90 from 50, and number 69 comes to Marcus Fothergill. Then it's the CSC of Andrew Morrison, 44 behind him. Simon Main and Alan McPherson. Alan McPherson moved up well through the field. More there. Going quite well. That's Hall, who was 15 on the grid, who stopped that 15th place, but gaining his back already. Join us. Race leader then, from tonight we get with Bill Addison goes through, then 69 comes through the gap then before we have to see it Leon of Andrew Morrison, number 54, crossing the line. Then the BMW number 44 of Mike Cutt. Yeah, 15 and 24, that's David Cox coming through ahead of another number 1, Paul Moss, pulled off. As you say, it's no less than right. Yep. It won't come fast. You're trying to work it out, I think. Move into Ganetta, number 43. Goes through. Don't use the money, don't you? Leave it again, Jeff Wilson. The least body that. Show the whole layout. But there's a least body on top. 50 goes through.
Second place man, number 50. Addison Plant, I think he's got on the side of that.
Yes, that's his company.
Right. There's a Sierra out there as well, it's amazing. I'll get used to all these for the next race. Now there's two to be collected here, and you reckon the last board is going out?
BMW bodied car. Remember the old M1 that was based on the Chevron 5000 chassis? Do you remember that? Yeah. Quite hairy machines, to say the least. There he goes again, Jeff Wilson. One way round towards the checkers line. I'll dive out, get the rest of the things, and we'll get set up properly. It's nearly 12 o'clock. Not ready to start then, are we? So waiting for take the checker flag. It's going to be 9 laps completed by So Jeff Wilson takes the checkered flag.
I think he spun as well. Like Sierra, which is a four-wheel drive one, isn't it?
Right.
89.
Second, Bill Addison across the line.
How can you spin a four-wheel drive?